just go? Can we just go? Figure out where we're going. Can we just
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley, and in today's video, as you probably read in the title, I'm going to be doing a Bath & Body Works unboxing and then haul. So as you just saw, I unboxed the package. I got quite a lot of stuff, so let's go ahead and dive in. So I got a lot of bath gels, and the first one I'm going to start with is this Paris Amour. It's a shower gel, so I will do a little close-up of it now. But it's super duper cute. I love this scent. I've had it in years past. Next, I'm just grabbing whatever's next in the box. I have this white citrus body lotion, and I actually got a little sample of this from a hotel once, and I love it. It's definitely great. You need something that's not super fragrancy, kind of basic. This is definitely your scent, and it still has like that fresh linen, clean, simple scent. Then I have the Paris Amour. Then I have the shower gel for that white citrus. Then I want to try this. I've never tried this scent before. It's French lavender and honey. I have some more bath gel. I have the pink chiffon shower gel, my all-time favorite, you know, Dark Kisses, hands down. Dark Kisses, have to get it if you've never had it before. I definitely like wearing this more in the winter. Had to stock up, like that was a must. It had to be in the order. Couldn't do without. And then Cashmere Glow. This is usually my fall scent because it does have like a very warmness to it, if that makes any kind of sense. And then I have the shower gel, so that's what that looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and do, especially for this one because I've never tried before, kind of smell it and let you guys know my thoughts. Listen, has a very like floral scent, which I was expecting with the all the flowers and with the French vanilla. Like I could do this in the summer. I'm probably gonna save this more so to the fall, but updates to come on that. Definitely doing the white citrus this summer. Like this one is just a good year round. I like how it's like a sleeter scent, so I might even do this summer. I almost forgot, I did purchase some candles, but I got 2 candles because it was like a buy one get one, like a BOGO situation. So the first one I got is called Sunshine and Daffodils. It's made with essential oils. It's this cute little bright yellow, cute, especially because it is like spring summer. I thought it was very happy looking, so even I can keep it later on for like decor because, as you know, in our like living room area we have a lot of yellow going on, so I figured this could even be decorative once you use it. And it smells really, you know, happy, fresh, sunshiny, so love that. Then our next one is this rose vanilla. Again, I love the rose gold, so it can be decorative later. I think about these things kind of strategically as well. It's this small little aromatherapy. It's made with essential oils. Let's see how this one smells. It has like a light florally scent. It's not like super sweet. These are my new little candles, as I go through candles pretty fast, and I like to have just a few Bath & Body Works ones on hand. So yeah, these are all, I can't even hold them all. So those were all of my Bath & Body Works items, all the things I purchased. Again, they had like a sale. I'll leave all the different things I purchased down below in the description if you want to check out any of these scents, the bath gels, the lotions. I usually get body mist from them as well, but I actually have like a ton of those still left in my collection, so I'll probably re-up on those once those kind of fizzle out. But I definitely needed more lotion and shower gel especially, and I definitely stocked up for a good little bit for probably the second half of the decade, so good to go there. And I want you to put for the comment of this video what your like favorite Bath & Body Works scent is. You all know I love my beloved Dark Kisses here. Absolutely a gem. One of their like limited, like not always there collection, whatever they call it. So let me know what yours is. Maybe I can try out some new scents. Also let me know like what scents you like to wear in like the summer, because I've always had my fall scents, obviously, like the Dark Kisses, the Cashmere Glow, like fall winter. I'm trying to find like scents that I'm gonna wear in the summer that are more light and airy. So if you have any recommendations of good scents for this more warmer season, let me know those also down below, because that would be greatly appreciated. Let's just have a big thread of our like Bath & Body Works scents and stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified of when I post my newest video, and stay tuned for some fun videos this summer. I'm super excited. Posting twice a week. Back to that whole thing. You know, I'll have my little college back to school series coming on in August. I'm gonna have some fun little different videos because last year was more like how to get into college, freshman year advice kind of stuff, and this year of course gonna be a little bit different because I've been in college now for 2 years, so I'm gonna have some like off-campus related content. You'll just have to wait and see. So again, you want to have that post notification bell on so you don't miss any of that. Always welcome summer content requests, video ideas, anything of the sort down below. And until next time, I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye guys.